In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit Bitcoin into your Pocket Option account. This is a straightforward process that will enhance your trading capabilities by giving you access to funds via cryptocurrency. Let's dive into each step to ensure everything is clear and simple for you to follow. First, you'll need to navigate to your Pocket Option dashboard. This is your main hub and where you'll find various features and options available to you. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a small picture or icon there, which typically represents your profile or settings. Go ahead and click on this picture. This action will open a menu where you'll find various options related to your account management. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Deposit. Selecting this will take you to the Deposit section, where you can choose from a variety of payment methods to fund your account. Since today we're focusing on cryptocurrency, scroll down until you encounter the Cryptocurrency section. It's important to explore these options, as they offer a convenient way to transact with digital currencies. Among the cryptocurrency options, look for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a popular choice due to its widespread acceptance and ease of use. Click on Bitcoin to proceed. Doing this will open a new interface where you'll need to specify the amount you want to deposit, enter the desired amount that you wish to transfer into your account. Make sure to double-check this value to ensure accuracy, as you wouldn't want to deposit more or less than needed. Once you've entered the amount correctly, there will be an option to continue the process. You'll want to click on the Continue and Pay button, located on the right side of the screen. This step will initiate the transaction process. At this point, it's important to follow any additional prompts or instructions provided to complete the transaction securely. You may be directed to a third-party processor or wallet to finalize the payment. It's a good practice to verify all details before confirming the transaction to avoid any errors. Once the payment is processed, the Bitcoin will be credited to your Pocket Option account, making it ready for your trading activities. Ensure that you keep track of your transactions for future reference. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully deposit Bitcoin into your Pocket Option account, enabling you to leverage the power of cryptocurrency in your trading journey. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy trading.